YouTube? Welcome back to HTPGRP. Today I'm going to be showing you how to lockpick and steal a car. First, you need your lockpick. Now, to craft lockpicks, the level to craft lockpicks is level 6. Now, you go into your inventory, equip your lockpick, and anytime you take something out, you have to slash me. Now I have a bind for it, which means I went into my console and I set a key to whenever I press that key, it does that in the chat. And I will have a instructional video on how to do that later. So what you do is you do that, you walk up to the car and you click on the door. Just click on the door. And it doesn't matter which side you do it on, I just prefer to do it on the driver's side. Now, you're going to keep doing it until you get into the car. Get in. This man right here is helping me. I did not have a car that was not mine, since you can't lockpick your own car to lockpick. So I'm just showing you now how to lockpick it in order to take it. He's helping me. He's a paid actor, you can say. Now you're gonna take your car to the shop. You come over here. Some cars do not handle as well as the others. He's just telling me that the car does that sometimes. Now, you're gonna come over here and park the car anywhere around this guy. When you get out and you walk up to this guy, you press E on him and you click shop my vehicle. And as you see, I got $24,000 for chopping that vehicle. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.